right, hello, hello. Here's another little handful of goodness from the big ephemera box I'm sorting through. So here we go. Little piece of this I'll use in collage. Very old receipt, but it's just partial, so not really good for anything else. This is a letter to Grandma from Marie. It doesn't have a date on it, but it says, now to get to the purpose of my writing. If it's all the same to you, let's call our date off for tomorrow night. I hope you won't mind. For Columbus, really, I have the biggest ironing to do for myself. You see, our Thanksgiving arrangements knocked into my plans, and now I'll just have to stay in Friday night and iron, or I won't have anything to work in next week. That would be just too bad, don't you think so? I'm sorry, but after all, you can see me Saturday night as usual. That is, if you want to, okay? Huh? That's fine. Lovingly, Marie. Oh, I feel sad for Grandma. She got canceled on for ironing. This is just an envelope for maybe for this letter. That's not really a letter, it's just a receipt for a deposit. That's cute. Beauty on Duty, your bedroom extension phone in color. Oh, fancy. 1959 from Southern Belle. So this is a receipt, I'm guessing, or a few receipts actually. So from the gas company, the water company, and what else? The telephone and telegraph company. Phone bill was $3.39. And the Kentucky Utilities Company. Fascinating. We have a letter from the United States Department of Agriculture, which is 1966. Just an announcement of meetings and the feed grain program. Flyers, whatnot. There's another one from the same Department of Agriculture. Dear producer, land diverted under the 1966 feed grain, wheat, or cotton programs is not to be grazed between the dates of April 30th and November 1st. The grazing of this land between the above dates can result in a violation and loss of payment. Alrighty then. No grazing. This is an ad for Kodak negatives. Security Benefit Life Insurance Company. Deceased 6/8/1956. Oh, that's kind of sad. Another security benefit letter. This is a big one. Oh, it's a Christmas greeting. Dearest Mama, we are well and hope you are too. Sorry Aunt Nellie had to go home. Hope you will be okay. I'll write you toward the 1st of next week. Trying to get our tax deposit ready. Want to finish it up by tonight. We had a quiet little snow here yesterday. We'll write more in my letter. Love, Marie. 1954. This has just a little piece of paper in it. Paid 29 cents. Oof, hefty bill there, huh? This looks like an electric bill tab thing. I don't know what this is. Just a tag, I guess. Merry Christmas to Troy. U.S. Department of Agriculture. Let's see if this is another letter about grazing, because that's apparently a thing. Stabilization and Conservation Service. Oh my, yes. Okay, 1966 again. This is a meter reading, must be for electric. $16.29. The Sunshine Belt, Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas. Postcard, 1961. It's a really pretty, colorful card. And then we have, we're already over 5 minutes. Man, it goes fast. Another letter. Natural gas customer. And maybe this was Commonwealth Service Corporation. Yeah, this was the envelope for that. 3 cents back in 1959. All right, that's it for today, you guys. I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.